All right, hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Update my 1000 Day Challenge. So yeah, basically today is day 322, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, you'll notice the balance has dropped quite drastically around 450-ish. That's mainly based on the main trading house setup where I had 3 losses, both in terms of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Link. And like I mentioned, when it comes to short, I did go for a short setup, and I'm definitely bearish bias in this perspective. However, long-term wise, I'm definitely still bullish, which is why when it comes to investment, I'm definitely still investing in this perspective. And yeah, so basically 3 losses for main and another 3 losses for experimental setup. But one thing to bear in mind, that actually incur additional losses, you'll see these more than 150, which is more than 3R. And reason being is simple. It's actually due to the stop loss because it was actually due to Bitcoin itself. So I was actually going to set my stop loss at 32,000-ish, but as I was setting this order on the mobile itself, it actually became 35,000-ish. So I realized that I didn't trigger my stop loss at around 33,000, so I closed it up manually. So fortunately, I did take notice from time to time. When I reach home, I do check it out. So that's something to always bear in mind, and that you should always be very cautious placing correct stop loss in addition to just setting the right position sizing itself. All right, other than that, in terms of the daily market structure update itself, as today is Monday, I'm going to cover on the weekly chart itself. So on the weekly chart itself, we will see that Bitcoin itself from a very nice supportive candlestick on the 50 simple moving average, which previously was pretty nice, decent support before we had this very huge run up. So could this be a potential short-term relief rally that we see potentially? Yes. So to bear in mind that such kind of support rally could take place, the key resistance to be taken note of would definitely the 20 exponential moving average. So pardon me for the technical issue, so just give me a minute. Yeah. All right, so sorry for the technical issue. Yeah, it's due to the display driver setup adapter thing. All right, so otherwise, basically the 50 simple moving average would potentially give rise to a good relief rally, and we could see potential towards the upside, but clearly the 20 exponential moving average will be a key resistance on the weekly chart itself. All right, and looking on the daily chart itself, currently we are facing resistance at least 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart. So we are still not out of the woods yet, and we are still clearly forming lower highs and higher lows. So we could be consolidating right over here for potential break downwards, or in fact, we could break towards the upside just as well. So this is bearing in mind. So of course, I'm leaning towards bearish bias in terms of moving averages wise, but do bear in mind that this could also be a reduced selling of pressure. As you can see, the MACD sloping towards the upside of things, and the green side of things is actually picking up. So yep, the momentum could be actually reducing in this perspective. Looking purely based on price action and momentum wise, the selling of pressure definitely have decreased over the past week itself, even though price is still decreasing. But you can see that the rate at it is dropping is actually much less than we have seen in the earlier phase in the start or in the middle of May itself. All right, so with that said, there's no major change in terms of the trading setup we are looking at in terms of the 4-hour chart. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.